Kishane Thompson has made headlines globally after winning the men's 100 meters at the recent national championships. Despite a career often plagued by injuries, Thompson has shown remarkable resilience and talent. In the 2023 National Senior Championship, he clocked an impressive 9.91 seconds to win his heat. Although he didn't return for the finals, he continued to compete in 4 meets on the circuit, dipping under 10 seconds 3 times, including a notable 9.85 seconds at the Diamond League meet in Xiamen, China. Known as Bigger, Thompson grew up in Mitchelltown, Clarendon, and attended Bustamante High before moving on to Garvey Maceo High. At Garvey Maceo, he excelled, winning the boys' Class 1 100 meters at Central Champs in 2019 and finishing second in the 200 meters. He also placed third in the 100 meters at the Digicel Grand Prix in 2019, despite struggling with shin injuries. Thompson's perseverance paid off when he won the men's 100 meters final in a world-leading 9.77 seconds, securing his spot for the Paris Olympics. The blue ribbon event at the Olympics promises to be more intense than ever.